Welcome to Akihabara. For fans of anime, manga, and video games, this is more than just a place. It's a pilgrimage, a sensory overload in the best way possible. Vibrant characters smile down from massive billboards. The sounds of adventure and the cheerful jingle of gachapon machines echo from every arcade. And unique experiences, like the famous maid cafes, wait around every corner. This truly is a world built from dreams. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this capital of cool came to be? The answer is more surprising than you might think. No, the story doesn't begin with anime. It all started over 150 years ago, with a massive fire and an empty field. In 1869, during Japan's Great Meiji Restoration, a fire devastated Tokyo. To stop future flames, this entire area was cleared. Imagine it. No buildings, no neon lights. A shrine was built on the empty land to protect the city from fire. His shrine was nicknamed Akiba-sama after a firefighting deity. Soon, people began calling the area Akiba no Hara, which means the field of Akiba. And from that, the official name was born, Akihabara. The next major turning point came after World War II. In the chaos of a recovering Tokyo, Akihabara became a bustling black market, humming with a desperate energy. And the most popular items here were radio parts. A do-it-yourself spirit was in the air. Tech students and engineers flocked to the area, and soon a maze of tiny electronic stalls filled the spaces under the railway tracks. Then came Japan's economic miracle. The energy shifted from rebuilding to aspiring. People from all over the country swarmed to Akihabara to buy the latest home appliances, televisions, washing machines, and refrigerators. It was then that Akihabara gained its other identity, Electric Town. And then came the fateful 1980s. A new store arrived on the scene, replacing home appliances, the personal computer. This was the final piece of the puzzle, the spark that ignited the final transformation. The boom in computers created a boom in PC games. People didn't just buy technology anymore. They engaged with it. They fell in love with the games and soon were captivated by the stories and the characters, diving deep into the worlds of anime and manga. This was the dawn of the otaku, a new generation of passionate fans. The shops of Akihabara sensed this change in the wind. Next to computer hardware, they began selling game software, then model kits, art books, and anime merchandise. And just like that, Electric Town transformed into the holy land of pop culture the world knows today. When you see a tiny old shop selling vacuum tubes next to a 10-story anime superstore, you are seeing that history in real time. The ground you're walking on is a place of miracles, built on layers of incredible history. So as you explore, feel the story of Akihabara all around you, and enjoy every moment in this one-of-a-kind world.